So I got a smorgasbord here of different DOT bottle rockets. I'm sure some of you guys can recognize these. This one right here is a Black Cat. Let me see if I can zoom in. President's brand. I don't know if that's ICC or DOT. And this is a no-namer that I got from the late John Naminsky, Mr. 4th of July. Let's see if I can get a better look with the flashlight. But it's pretty cool because it has a twisted fuse, paper fuse. Definitely says DOT on it. Standard air travel. And then one of the best horseband bottle rockets in my opinion. But let's check them out, see what they could do. Let's go with the Black Cat first. These have weird fuses too. Oh, big dud. Just got covered full of confetti. Wow. Damn, that was loud. That made my ear ring. Let me see. Pause it and get this flash off. I guess I can't turn the flash off, but here's that no-name one. Oh, that one went high. Damn. Kind of like a little fizzer. And then it blows up. Nice report. Here's the green air travel. That sucked. Here's my favorites. Fast fuses and all. Love those.